In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OBS Studio for recording Google Meet sessions. OBS Studio is a powerful open-source software for video recording and live streaming. It's widely used by professionals and hobbyists alike for its flexibility and wide range of features. Today, we're focusing on how to leverage it for recording your Google Meet sessions with ease. First things first, open OBS Studio on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you'll need to download it from the official OBS website and follow the installation instructions. This software is available on both Windows and Mac, so you're covered no matter what platform you use. Once open, you'll see the main interface with various panels such as Scenes, Sources, Mixer, and more. Now, let's start the virtual camera. The virtual camera option in OBS allows you to use your OBS scenes as a webcam source in other applications, like Google Meet. Look for the Start Virtual Camera button in the controls panel on the right-hand side of the OBS window. Clicking this will activate the OBS virtual camera, making your scenes available to be selected as a webcam source in other programs. Next, you'll want to adjust your screen size to fit your preferences. In OBS, you can customize the window layout to make sure everything fits perfectly. Click and drag the borders of your video source or resize it from within the settings. This flexibility ensures you capture exactly what you want during your Google Meet session. All right, let's move on to Google Meet. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Meet website. If you haven't used it before, you might be prompted to log in with your Google account. Once there, click on New Meeting. You'll be given a few options, but for our purposes, we'll select Start an Instant Meeting. This creates a new meeting session immediately, letting us proceed with the setup. After starting the meeting, head over to More Options, often represented by 3 dots. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu where you need to select Settings. Within the Settings menu, navigate to the Video tab. This is where you'll configure the video input for Google Meet. Inside the video settings, you'll see an option to choose your camera source. Click on the drop-down menu and look for OBS Virtual Camera. Selecting this will route your OBS feed directly into Google Meet, allowing you to use all the customizations and configurations you've set up in OBS as your video input during the meeting. Remember, practice makes perfect. Spend a little time experimenting with different OBS settings and configurations to truly make the most of this powerful tool when recording Google Meet sessions. That wraps up our guide on using OBS Studio for recording Google Meet. Thanks for watching and happy recording.